these ones that I came to, she's been a past customer, and the last time we came out, she got everything from our good transition hose to our roof hood that's properly designed for the dryer. And so what happens when you take care of the system and you do everything what the recommendations that we do, your dryer vent stays a lot cleaner for a longer period of time. So taking care of the lint screen area, washing it up and cleaning down inside where the lint screen goes helps out the efficiency of the dryer, but it also helps keep your dryer vent itself cleaner longer. So she's wanting to do the cleaning even though it's just a little bit dirty. So we're going to clean this up for her and change out the washer lines and get this transition hose all nice and clean for her as well, and put this all back together, and she's going to be even in better shape for the next time we come out.